Welcome to the captivating realm of wall-mounted wood crafts and sculptures, where creativity meets functionality in the most artistic way. This niche offers a unique opportunity for artisans and entrepreneurs to transform their passion for woodworking into a profitable venture. With the rising demand for handcrafted decor, these pieces not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of homes, restaurants, and public spaces, but also serve as conversation starters and expressions of personal style. In a world increasingly drawn to individualism, wall-mounted crafts stand out as a perfect solution for those seeking distinctive, personalized decor options that reflect their tastes and values. As you embark on this journey, you'll discover that the potential for creativity is limitless. From rustic shelves and intricate sculptures to functional pieces like coat racks and organizers, the variety of designs you can create is vast. Each craft tells a story, showcasing your craftsmanship and artistic vision. Moreover, the business landscape for handmade crafts is thriving, with numerous avenues for marketing and sales available. Whether you are just starting out or looking to expand an existing business, this guide will provide you with essential insights, strategies, and tips to help you navigate the world of wall-mounted wood crafts, allowing you to turn your creative passion into a successful and fulfilling enterprise. As we wrap up this exploration of wall-mounted wood crafts and sculptures, we appreciate your time and interest in this vibrant artistic journey. If you found the insights valuable and inspiring, we encourage you to stay tuned for more engaging content that delves deeper into the world of craftsmanship, entrepreneurship, and creative design. Your support means everything to us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest updates, tips, and tutorials that can help you hone your skills and grow your business. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it with fellow art enthusiasts and aspiring artisans. Together, we can build a community that celebrates creativity and innovation in woodworking. Thank you for being part of our journey, and we look forward to sharing more with you soon. Wall-mounted wood crafts and sculptures are more than just decorative items. They represent a blend of artistry and functionality that appeals to a wide range of consumers. These pieces not only beautify spaces, but also serve practical purposes, making them highly desirable in various environments. The market for handmade crafts is thriving as consumers increasingly seek unique, personalized items that reflect their individual tastes and lifestyles. This trend creates a lucrative opportunity for artisans and entrepreneurs looking to capitalize on the growing demand for distinctive wall art. Understanding the market. To successfully enter the market for wall-mounted wood crafts, it's essential to understand your target audience. Homeowners are often looking for unique decor that complements their interior design, while businesses, such as restaurants and hotels, seek attractive pieces that enhance their ambience. Conduct market research to identify trends, preferred styles, and the types of wall art that resonate with potential buyers. By tailoring your offerings to meet these preferences, you can create a product line that appeals to a diverse clientele, increasing your chances of success. Starting small, laying the foundation. Every successful venture begins with a solid foundation. Start by creating a small collection of wall-mounted crafts that showcase your craftsmanship and creativity. Focus on quality over quantity. Each piece should reflect your skills and artistic vision. Begin with a few core designs that are easy to produce but also have market appeal. This initial phase allows you to test the waters, gather feedback from customers, and refine your creations based on their preferences. Building a strong foundation will set the stage for future growth and expansion. Expanding your offerings. Once you've established a presence and received positive feedback on your initial products, consider expanding your offerings. Diversification can significantly enhance your business's revenue potential. Explore different styles, sizes, and themes to cater to various tastes. For example, incorporate rustic, modern, or abstract designs to attract a broader audience. Attend workshops or collaborate with other artisans to learn new techniques and materials. This not only enhances your skill set, but also keeps your product line fresh and exciting. in selling your crafts. To effectively sell your wall-mounted crafts, utilize multiple sales channels. Local craft fairs and markets are excellent venues for gaining exposure and interacting with potential customers. Create an online presence through social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest, where visually appealing content can attract followers and drive traffic to your products. Additionally, consider establishing an online store on platforms like Etsy or Shopify to reach a global audience. Offering multiple purchasing options increases accessibility and can lead to higher sales. Marketing strategies. Marketing is crucial in standing out in a competitive market. Use high-quality images to showcase your crafts, emphasizing their unique features and craftsmanship. Share the story behind each piece, including the materials and techniques used in its creation. Such narratives resonate with consumers who appreciate the artistry and effort involved in handmade items. Employ social media advertising to target specific demographics, and consider collaborating with influencers in the home decor niche to expand your reach and credibility. Pricing for profit. Determining the right pricing strategy is vital for profitability. Start by calculating your costs, including materials, labor, and overhead expenses. Research similar products in the market to gauge competitive pricing, but ensure your prices reflect the quality and uniqueness of your crafts. Remember that handmade items often command a premium due to their originality and craftsmanship. A well-structured pricing strategy will help maintain healthy profit margins while attracting customers. Building customer relationships. Fostering strong relationships with your customers can lead to repeat business and positive word-of-mouth referrals. Offer personalized options, such as custom designs or engravings, to enhance customer satisfaction and loyalty. Engage with your audience through newsletters, social media interactions, and follow-up messages after purchases. Encourage feedback and actively respond to inquiries or concerns. A loyal customer base can significantly contribute to the long-term success of your business. Growing from small to big. As your business gains traction, explore opportunities for growth. Invest in tools and equipment that increase your production capacity, allowing you to fulfill larger orders efficiently. As demand rises, consider hiring additional help or outsourcing certain tasks, such as marketing or shipping. Streamlining your production process will enable you to maintain quality while scaling your operations. Setting clear growth goals and strategies will help you navigate this transition. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video on wall-mounted wood crafts and sculptures. We hope you found it informative and inspiring as you explore the world of handcrafted art. Your support is invaluable to us, and we encourage you to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on future content that dives deeper into techniques, tips, and creative ideas to help you in your artistic journey. If you enjoyed what you saw, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with friends and fellow craft enthusiasts who might benefit from it. Together, we can foster a community that appreciates the beauty of handmade art and inspires one another to create and innovate. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thank you for being part of our creative adventure.